The Central Goods and Service Tax of 2017 (CGST). Introduction an act to make provision for levy and collection of tax on interstate supply, goods or service, or both by the central government for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Various taxes under GST: central tax, integrated tax, state tax, union territory tax. Rules under GST law: composition rules, value rules, transit rules, ITC, revised invoice, revised payment, revised refund, revised registration, revised return, account and records, advance ruling, appeal and revision, assessment and audit, eBay will. Introduction to various provisions of the GST Acts 2017. Appointment of the following cases of officers: First one is a Principal Chief Commissioner of Central Tax or a Principal Director General of Central Tax. B. Chief Minister of Central Tax. C. Principal Commissioner of Central Tax. D. Commissioner of Central Tax. Next, Additional Commissioner Central Tax. Next, Joint Commissioner Central Tax. Next, Assistant Commissioner Central Tax. Any others? Next, provided that the officers appointed under the Central Exist Act 1944 shall be deemed to be officer appointment under the provision of the Act. Section 1. Short title, extent and commencement. Section 2. Definitions. Section 3. Appointment of the class of officers. Section 4. Appointment of other officer by board. Section 5. Powers of officers. Section 6. Authorization of officers, SGST and UTGST as central tax officers. Levy and collection of tax. Section 7. Scope of supply. Tax liability on composition of mixed supplies. Levy and collection. Composition levy. Power to grant exemption from tax. Meaning of scope of supply. Supply includes all forms of supply, goods and other services such as sales, transfer, barter, exchange, license, rental, release or disposal made or agreed to be made for a consideration by a person in the course of furtherance of business. Charging section. Section 9, subsection 1. Subject to the provision of subsection 2, there shall be levied a tax called the Central Goods and Service Tax (CGST) on all interstate supply of goods or services or both on the value determining under the section 15 at such rate not exceeding 20% as many notified by the government on the recommendations of council and collected in such manner as many prescribed and shall be paid by the taxable person. Section 9. Subsection 3. Tax paid on reverse charges. Import of service for a consideration whether or not in the course furtherance of business. The active specified in schedule I made or agreed to be without a consideration. The activities to be treated as supply goods or supply of services referred to in schedule 2. The activities of transaction specified